Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today is a little bit different. I've actually filmed this video quite a few times and have never gotten all the way through. So today is a what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers. So I've been doing this for almost 3 weeks now and it's going good. I've lost just under 5 pounds, like give or take. Some days it's 5, some days it's like 4.5, you know. We women, we fluctuate in weight, but I like it. I'm doing well on it. I don't feel like super restricted. I don't feel like I'm starving myself. I feel full. I feel happy. I like it so far. So I am trying to lose 20 pounds. So let's just say 5. I've got 15 more to go. So, but I'm gonna share exactly what I'm eating. I'm gonna show you my points. I'm gonna show you like logged everything in, all the food. I actually have to go grocery shopping today, so I figured I'd film a little grocery haul. I need to meal prep a little bit, so we'll kind of put everything all in this video. So I currently have my breakfast going. I worked out this morning. It is 8:30. I have an appointment at the registry in an hour, so I need to leave here in half an hour to get to the registry, but I am currently making my breakfast. I am making some egg whites. I am making some French toast, which this French toast is on like that 45 calorie bread. So good. And I have some little mini potatoes cooking in the air fryer. So a nice, filling, delicious breakfast because I have 1,000,001 errands to run today. So that is my plan for this morning. I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna have for lunch or dinner yet, but I am on the plan. I know there's like blue plan. I know there's like different like names of the plans. I'm not sure what the name of it I am on, but I can have I can have like eggs, ground turkey, ground chicken, chicken breast, things like that for no points, and fruits and vegetables are 0 points. And then you can like pick 2, when I signed up, you could pick like 2 additional items that are 0 points. So I picked whole wheat pasta and potatoes. So regular potatoes and sweet potatoes because I love both of those. So that to me was so worth it. So we are going to get, I think my whole breakfast is going to be 4 points. Yes, I think 4 points. When I get it all together, I'll put it in the calculator and show you in the app. But everything smells delicious and I am starving. Look at this breakfast. This whole breakfast is 4 points. I have 3 pieces of French toast. I have a little bit of maple syrup on it. I have the eggs and the potatoes. I put a tiny dusting of powdered sugar on there, which I think for 1 teaspoon is 0 points, and I didn't even do that much. I literally did like barely even a dusting. So that is 0 points. The strawberries are 0 points. So, and I have regular maple syrup. So I just do 1 teaspoon of that, and that is 1 point. I think you can get the sugar-free, like no fat, low fat one for 0 points, but I'd rather have like the real maple syrup, like this kind of maple syrup. So, you know, it's not actually even that much sugar. I mean, it is, but it's not that bad, and I'd rather have like the real stuff than fake stuff for less points. All right, so I put everything into my app, and I got extra points days at the beginning of the week, so my weekly points, I think I have 28 weekly points, but I worked out this morning, so it gave me, I think, 3. Yes, 3 if I did the math. And then my breakfast was 3 points. I drink a ton of water. I'm already at almost, I'm at like 40 ounces of water. So every day I drink probably double 64 ounces. So I always just put my full 64 because I'm already on my second full Yeti. So then I have 19 points for the day. So like I said, I'm not too sure. I put in my activity, my workout, and my sleep. So that is what I've got so far. I do not count my coffee. I use Stoke iced coffee, which is 0 points, and I use a tiny dash of creamer. So I've seen a lot of people, I watched a lot of videos before I started Weight Watchers just to get like some ideas, and people were making these like crazy coffees with like caramel syrup and all these different things, and I'm like, and they weren't counting their coffees. So I was like, mine's like maybe 2 points. So I don't count my coffee because I figure if everyone else can do it, let me put you up here. If everyone else can do it, why can't I, right? So, and like I said, I'm using 0 point coffee and then just a little tiny bit of sweet cream, all natural creamer. I was using the oat milk creamer, and there was just so much. I'm sure you guys have all heard it, but there was like so many things that were going on with like oat milk creamers, and there was so many added things. So I was using the Good and Gather one from Target, but now I'm just using the Natural Bliss sweet cream creamer, and the only ingredients are non-fat milk, cream, cane sugar, and natural flavor. So it's 35 calories per tablespoon. It's not much different than the oat milk one, and a lot less ingredients. So I've been really trying to really stick to having like real ingredients and stuff. Like I don't want to, like, because you know the fake butter is 0 points. Like I still want to have a real butter. I don't want to like have all those artificial like fake things. I'm not about that life. So like if I go over a point or two because I had real butter or real maple syrup or, you know, real creamer in my coffee, as opposed to something that's like sugar-free and has a ton of chemicals and like additives and all of those things, because you get all that stuff everywhere else. Like I love a good Diet Coke, so don't get me wrong, but I try to control it where I can control it. Like if it's, I just have my Diet Coke once or twice a week, I'm okay with that. If I'm having it every day, I'm not okay with that. And if I'm having it, you know, all the artificial stuff in like 3 meals a day, that adds up, and that's a lot. So I save all of the junk for my couple of Diet Cokes that I like a couple of times a week. So I am going to head out on my appointment, so I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm not gonna bring any snacks or anything like that. I'm just bringing my coffee and my Yeti full of water, because that breakfast will keep me full for so long. So I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I got everything I needed and then some from Walmart. So all of this stuff isn't necessarily like Weight Watcher stuff, I'll tell you what is, but I needed major snacks for the kids. I've gone like 3 weeks without buying any snacks and made them go through everything that we had. So they were in desperate need of snacks, so that's mainly what this grocery haul is. But I got to them some of these Chobani Flips yogurts. They like these, and also Kevin takes these to work, the Oikos orange cream Greek yogurts. We were out of sour cream. I got some eggs. Austin loves orange juice in the morning, so I got some of that for him. We were just about out. Got 2 pounds of strawberries, a ton of green grapes, big bag of carrots, a English cucumber, 2 bags of frozen broccoli, some of this white rice. I like to have these on hand for like quick meals for Kevin, and I make like salsa chicken bowls and stuff with these. So I grabbed 2 of those. Grabbed some of this honey whole wheat 45 calorie bread for myself. This is, I think, 2 points for 2 slices, or 1 point a slice, however you do it. So these are awesome. This is what I make my French toast with that I showed you this morning. That one was like a whole grain, I think, so it has like some little seeds in it, but I like the honey whole wheat the best. So I got some mini bagels for breakfast for the kids, some toppings for my salads, so some corn, some beets. The kids were running low on ketchup, so I got some ketchup. Got these for my salads. I think this is like 2 points for 2 tablespoons, I think. And I really like this. This is my favorite. It's the sweetened cranberries and candied pecans. It's delicious. I like to have like crunch on my salad. So I got some of these honey wheat pretzels. I bet these will be pretty low in points too, so I'm not sure how many, but we'll scan them in a little bit and I'll let you know. So I got some Cheerios for the kids, some of these little cookies to go with their lunches. We got some veggie sticks. I got them some more chicken nuggets, some Ritz crackers, some Cheez-Its, some fruit snacks as a treat, some goldfish, and some yogurt. Can you believe? I mean, it's a decent amount of stuff, but not that much, and this was $100 worth of stuff. Like, wild. So crazy. There's not that much stuff. So It is what it is, unfortunately. But I'm gonna get this all put away and then I'm gonna make some lunch. All right, this is what I have made for lunch. I have one of these whole wheat Joseph's pita breads. I have half a pita bread for 2 points. I have ham. I have 1 low-fat slice of deli cheese. I have just regular mustard, which is 0 points. I have 7 pretzels. I have some grapes, which are 0 points, and I have a polar seltzer water in the watermelon lemonade. So I put everything in, and it is, what is my point? It is 9 points. It's a little bit more than I usually do for lunch, at least, but that's okay. So dinner, I'm literally having chicken and vegetables and sweet potatoes, so that will be 0 points. So I still have 10 points for snacks and like a treat this afternoon or tonight. But yeah, we're doing good. Like I said, I sometimes have a big salad, which is 6 points, but I always get 3 points back from the salad. But today I just wanted to switch up. I've been having so many salads, it kind of like bothered my stomach a little bit. So I'm switching it up for the next few days. This is what I will be having for lunch, and I am so excited. It looks delicious. All right, and here is dinner. We have chicken that I just did a tiny bit of breadcrumbs and a little bit of Parmesan cheese and just cooked it on the stove top. And I've got a big cup of broccoli, big cup of honey glazed carrots, and then I have a sweet potato with a little bit of cinnamon on it. So that is my dinner. All right, and there was enough left over. I made obviously extra, 1 for lunch for me, 1 for Kevin, and either he works a double, he can take both of them. But this was so good. So I think it ended up being, I think I counted everything as 4 points, I think. So yeah, everything was just delicious. I only counted 1 point for, I did a little bit of breadcrumbs and a little bit of grated cheese, but each of them was 1 point for like 1/4 of a cup or something. So I only counted 1 thing. I used very little. I didn't use anything else to cook it in, just that, and pan fried it on the stove. So that is that. And I am on my 3rd big Yeti, which is not, usually I drink a lot more, but I had a soda water for lunch, so I think that's why I haven't had as much. But still going good, because this is like 36 ounces, 32 ounces, something like that. And it's my 3rd one. So I'm doing this, finish this one, and have 1 more before the end of the day. All right, so here is my total day. So I gained 34 total weekly points so far. I still have 2 left over for the day. I used 21 of my points. My water, I got an extra point. Breakfast was 3 points. Lunch was 9. Dinner was 4, plus I gained a point, so it was really only 3. And I forgot to show you guys, I had like 5 crackers. Layton had like a few left in her little like mini pack of Ritz, and I ate the last couple of ones. So I put in 5 for 3 points, and then I am going to have 2 of these Fudgicle no sugar added. You can have 2 of them for 2 points, so 1 point each. So I am so excited. Now I have finished my 3rd one, and I am finishing up my 4th. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed like the little grocery haul. I know it wasn't like technically Weight Watchers per se, because I need a lot of stuff for my kids, but I just thought it would be good to share with you what we're doing, or what I'm doing. I'm the only one obviously doing Weight Watchers. But if there is anything you want to see, or if you guys like this style video and you like doing Weight Watchers or anything like that, let me know, and I could totally do more of these videos. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I post tons of stuff on there all the time too, like workouts and what I'm eating and all of that fun stuff too. So make sure you're following me there, and that is it. I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.